Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to reverse a TikTok ban. This actually works and it is super crazy. So I've been banned on TikTok in the past for writing like a comment that I guess went against the guidelines. So what happened was someone probably ended up reporting me and I got banned. But I'm going to show you guys how to bypass a ban. This actually works. It's super cool. So as you can see with the app I have here, which is not normal TikTok, it says your account was permanently banned and it says appeal, which is what you normally see, but it also says bypass. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, we have two options, appeal and bypass. So I'm going to do bypass and then wait for it to load. And bang, I'm back in. So I'm not really sure if you're still like banned on the other person's end, but I've used this multiple times to get back into my account. And I can view all my stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. This is the app right here. So to download it, we need to go to ZooMods. This site has a ton of mods for apps and games. And this is obviously not really allowed by TikTok, but you can just download it yourself from their site. So once you're on this site, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in TikTok. And you can see there is the TikTok unblocked. So just press on that and wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. And see you guys in a future video. But this is, as far as I know, the only way to get your TikTok account unbanned if they deny you, because they will deny you most of the time. You can try to appeal them, of course, but it won't always work. And in that case, it's time to download something like this. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. It might come up with this bypassing message a couple times, which is kind of irritating, but it's like they're trying to keep your account unbanned, if that makes any sense. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So remember, all you gotta do is go to ZooMods, and then once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and type in TikTok, and you can see it says TikTok unblocked. So press on that, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, and it's like updated and everything like that, which is awesome. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe. This is wild, bro. Yeah, it actually works. So yeah, if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys in a future video. So subscribe to the channel and peace out.